Fuel and tires are the major expense for any mining organization. One of the contributing factors to the high cost of tires is improper maintenance. Without adequate inspection and monitoring, they can become damaged frequently and require regular replacement. Currently, unsafe tire conditions often go unnoticed while the truck is in use. For example, a truck carrying a full load experiences a great amount of strain on the tires, increasing its air pressure and temperature, sometimes over the tire's specified limits. By the time the truck unloads and heads back to the tire inspection bay, the tire's outer surface has had a chance to cool and the pressure reduces. An inspection at this time would show ideal conditions when really the air pressure and temperature have just been at unsafe levels. TyreSense is an automated tire monitoring system which provides real-time data of tire conditions in order to prevent tire failure before it happens. This information can be routed to the truck operator, tire technicians, and mining dispatch, giving an overview of the tire status at any given time. TyreSense is made up of the following components: wheel sensors, in-cab display unit, a receiver unit, wireless antennas, and data monitoring software. Each wheel sensor is configured individually and matched to a vehicle. The vehicles are then organized into fleets. This makes the TyreSense system fully adaptable to mining sites of various size ranges and capacities. The wheel sensors wirelessly relay tire data to the receiver unit every 3 seconds, which is defined as real-time by military standards. The receiver unit processes the information and transmits the results via multiple connection methods, such as Ethernet, Bluetooth, 802.11 Wi-Fi, or cellular connectivity. The receiver unit can even be configured to connect to existing fleet management systems. This real-time data is transmitted to the in-cab display unit, which puts tire information, such as the pressure and temperature, at the operator's fingertips. The in-cab display unit will alert the operator of potential hazards so he can adjust his driving to avoid damaging the tires. If the operator is more aware of the status of the vehicle's tires, then he is more able to prevent hazardous situations from occurring and keep mining production running smoothly. The real-time data is also fed from a vehicle's receiver unit to the TyreSense data management software. The software can be configured to send specific alerts to the appropriate recipients. Alerts can be set for minimum or maximum tire pressure and temperature levels, and sudden changes in either one. If, for instance, there was a sudden drop in pressure in a tire, the in-cab display unit would notify the driver immediately. This allows the driver to head straight to the tire inspection bay at the first sight of a problem. At the same time, a high-priority event would go out to the TyreSense system software and alerts would be relayed to the appropriate personnel. When the necessary repairs are made, a handheld device can be used to verify that the newly repaired tire is properly inflated. The pressure-temperature correlation calculator assists in ensuring that the correct amount of pressure goes into a tire based on its current temperature. The TyreSense system also logs the real-time data and presents it in highly useful, easy-to-interpret records. The visual representation of data allows for pinpoint detection of fault occurrences and gives the technicians a look at the overall performance of a tire. Data logs can be viewed on a handheld device or computer in real time and can also be downloaded for review at a later time if there is no access to such a device. The TyreSense system delivers results. Stop the guesswork, reduce tire wear, and prevent tire failure, which will lead to an overall enhancement in productivity, realized cost savings, and increased revenues.